the Canadian experience here. All right. Now, as you can see, um, India is roughly about 30% of the population of students who come, and then followed by China, and there's Philippines and Saudi Arabia, and South Korea, and all of those. We also have something called SDS program, which is Student Direct Stream. In this stream, we have added new countries like Pakistan, Morocco. All these folks can easily come through these program, and the process is within 20 days. So if anybody is coming from these nationalities, they have a chance to apply for study permits within 20 days. They can come to Canada. So this is a great opportunity if you have clients or who are willing to study in Canada. Yes, it's going to cost them a bit, but they have a good life, a good pathway for permanent residency. So which is great.
So tell me one more thing, Mubinia. So people, so students who do I think a 3-year or 4-year degree program, they would get a work permit as well that is valid for next 3 years. And during that 3 years, they can apply for their permanent residency. Is that what the rules are?
Yeah. Even if you studied for 1 year, you get your work permit for 1 year, right? And then after you gain your 1 year of experience, you can apply for permanent residency. So the other good thing with coming as an international student to Canada is also that you can bring in your spouses, your children along with you, right?
Okay.
So Canada always has focused on family reunification. So they always want the families to be united, which is fantastic, right? You come here as a student, your family is with you here in Canada.
Okay, great. So now before I move to the next slide, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Can I get some likes here? I want to see like how many people are there and they're liking our post. So please like some, can we have some likes here? I'm going to start with my likes. Okay, very good.
So this slide, as you can see, IQI and OnPoint is partnered. Of course, OnPoint can target and work on any of the immigration applications, which can be express entry for skilled professionals, skilled trades. There are even provincial nomination programs, business programs, study permits, work permits. All of these can be taken care of. It's like one-stop shop for your clients. Usually majority of the time there are agents who are just do focus on one sort of program and they just want to do that, but here OnPoint can do all of these applications and can be taken care of, again depending on the profile of the client or the applicant.
Okay, so basically we have all services available, whether it is express entry, whether it's a student permit, business immigration. I think we'll talk more in details in the other slides as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, immigration options.
All right, so this slide talks about 3 programs which are very popular among all people. Express entry, as you can see, study permit, and business. Express entry is mostly targeted for skilled professionals and skilled trades, right? Skilled professionals like doctors, engineers, lawyers, all those fall into the skilled professional category. And skilled trades is plumbers, electricians, you name it. So all of those fall into the skilled trades category, right? This is one of the very popular program and easy to apply and easy. It roughly takes about 6 to 8 months for you to get your PR visa and to land in Canada. So this is one of the very popular and fast track program. And when we talk about study permits, like I told you, it has a great pathway for students to apply for permanent residency eventually, right? Like I told you, this is also one of the very popular and fastest growing population of students in Canada. The next comes business. Uh, Business has federal programs and also provincial programs, depending again the criteria of the client, what they're looking for, uh, all that matters, right? But to get a fair idea, there are federal and provincial programs for people who are willing to immigrate to Canada. We talk about net worth who has roughly 600,000 Canadian dollars, and minimum investment we're talking about 200,000 Canadian dollars. There are tons and tons of options for people who are entrepreneurs.
Great. So main three options again: express entry, which is for the skilled workers; study permits for the students; and as we said, the students' work permit. If they do a full 3-year, 4-degree program, that could be converted into a work permit, and that work permit can be converted to a permanent residency. And then we have some business requirements. I'll move to the
Yes.
next slide.